How to fix the photo swipe on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Free Up Space. Here, tap on Clear beside the Cache section. Clearing your cache will free up space. Tap on Clear again to confirm. Another way to free up space is by going to the Settings app. Then go to General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and tap on TikTok. Once you're here, tap on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Clearing up space will help in fixing the photo swipe problem on TikTok by making the app faster. Following these steps, you can easily fix the photo swipe on TikTok.